Earth is large, but compared to the space and the universe itself, Earth is nothing more than a minuscule creature. Space is a vast and seemingly unending stretch of nothing. But with all that nothing lies huge planets, multiple moons, and millions of galaxies. But perhaps the most intriguing and interesting aspects of space are the intimidating asteroids, the glowing comets, and the bright meteors we make wishes on.
Comets, large balls of ice, small solar system bodies. A comet is really just a collection of ice, dust, and small rock particles.
When a comet gets close enough to the Sun, a hazy atmosphere, or coma, is visible from Earth. From the outer solar system, comets are no more than a ball of dirty ice. But as they approach the inner solar system, the solar radiation causes vaporized streams to come out of the nucleus, otherwise known as its tail. Many of the comets you see right now are close enough to our atmosphere, making the tail visible. A comet's nucleus, when warmed enough, is the source of the coma and tail of a comet. Comets in the outer solar system are ice, and from Earth they are difficult or impossible to detect due to their small size. As the comet approaches the inner solar system, the dust and vaporized streams of the coma and tail are illuminated by the sun, yet when illuminated, they are still quite difficult to see without a telescope.
Asteroids or minor planets are small, rocky bodies with no atmosphere. There are hundreds of thousands of asteroids. Around 100,000 have been numbered, and more than 12,000 have been named. Asteroids are divided into classes based upon the sizes and shapes of their orbits, and also upon their brightness and color. The asteroid belt is located between Jupiter and Mars. There are 3 types of asteroids: the dark C-type, the bright M-type, and the S-type, which are only found in the inner part of the asteroid belt. If a meteor produces enough light to cast a shadow on the Earth, it is called a fireball. A meteor is a tiny particle from outer space that projects light as it enters Earth's atmosphere. An exploding fireball is called a bolide. Have you ever wondered how or why a meteor shoots across the sky? Well, to begin with, a meteor is a portion of an asteroid that survives passage into our atmosphere. Meteors orbit the sun in different orbits, yet some orbit the sun together in streams. This, along with some possible comet remains, create meteor showers. Meteors, meteorites, and meteoroids are all very different. A meteoroid is a chunk of rock or dust. A meteor is a streak of light caused by the heating up of a meteoroid in the atmosphere. A meteorite is a meteoroid that has passed through the atmosphere and hit Earth's surface. Comets, asteroids, and meteoroids are very, very small compared to Earth, but are still important to the universe.